Most AI YouTubers will never make money. Not because AI is saturated, not because YouTube is dead, and definitely not because the algorithm hates them. They fail for a much simpler reason. They're building channels, not systems. Let me explain. Everyone saw the gold rush. AI voiceovers, AI scripts, AI thumbnails, channels pumping out videos like factories. And for a moment, it worked. Views came fast, subscribers followed, hope skyrocketed. Then reality hit. No revenue, no traction, no future. Here's why. Problem number one, they copy what looks successful. Most AI YouTubers don't think, they replicate. Same titles, same topics, same pacing, same delivery. 10 AI tools you must use. AI will replace your job. Make money with ChatGPT. It looks smart, but YouTube doesn't reward copies. It rewards differentiation. If your video feels like something I've already watched, my brain checks out. And when retention drops, your channel disappears. Problem number two, they chase views, not value. Views feel good, but views don't pay bills. Advertisers don't care if your video hits 100,000 views if the audience doesn't trust you. And most AI channels never build trust. Why? Because they don't stand for anything. No perspective, no opinion, no edge, just information. And information is free everywhere. Here's the truth most creators avoid. AI content is easy to consume, but hard to remember. If people can't remember you, they can't buy from you. And if they can't buy from you, you don't make money. Simple. Problem number three, faceless doesn't mean soulless. Faceless channels aren't the issue. Lack of identity is. Most AI YouTubers hide behind automation and forget one thing. People don't subscribe to videos. They subscribe to voices. Not voices you hear, voices you feel. A faceless channel still needs personality, a belief, a worldview, a clear stance. Otherwise, you're invisible. Quick reality check. If your channel disappeared tomorrow, would anyone notice? If the answer is no, that's the problem. Problem number four, no monetization plan. This is where most channels truly die. They upload for months hoping AdSense will kick in, but AdSense is the worst way to monetize AI content. Low RPMs, unstable income, zero control. Smart creators think backwards. They ask, what do I sell before I upload? Not after. Let me be blunt. If your channel doesn't lead somewhere, it leads nowhere. Every video should point to a product, a service, a newsletter, a funnel, or a transformation. If it doesn't, you're working for free. Problem number five, they picked the wrong niche. AI is not a niche, it's a tool, and tools don't make money, problems do. Channels that fail talk about AI. Channels that win talk about what AI fixes. Time, money, confusion, inefficiency, fear. The narrower the pain, the higher the profit. Example shift. Instead of AI news update, think how AI helps busy founders work 3 times faster. Instead of best AI tools, think AI workflows that replace freelancers. Specific beats broad, every time. Problem number 6, no emotional hook. Information doesn't spread, emotion does. Most AI videos sound like manuals, calm, flat, predictable. But people click when they feel curiosity, fear, ambition, relief, urgency. If your script doesn't trigger emotion in the first 5 seconds, you've already lost. That's why this matters. YouTube doesn't promote videos. It promotes watch time. And watch time comes from tension, a promise, a mystery, a reason to stay. If your video has no pull, it has no future. So why do most AI YouTubers never make money? Because they copy instead of create, inform instead of influence, automate instead of strategize, upload instead of build, chase views instead of leverage. They treat YouTube like a lottery. Winners treat it like a business. The shift that changes everything. Stop asking, how do I grow faster? Start asking, how do I become unavoidable? One clear audience, one clear problem, one clear outcome. AI just becomes the engine. You become the brand. Final thought. The future of AI YouTube is not more content. It's better positioning. The creators who win won't be the loudest. They'll be the clearest. And clarity is what makes money.